Hey everyone, welcome back. This is story number 25 from One Story a Day for Beginners and Kids. سڵاتان لەبێتۆم کاتتان باشە چیرۆکی 25مانە لە زنجیرەی هەر ڕۆژە و چیرۆکێک. Today we've got this cat and two birds. One of them says sweet dreams spot. ئەمڕۆ پشیلەیە و ئەم دوو باڵندەیەمان هەیە کە یەکێک لە باڵندەکان دەڵێت Sweet dreams spot. خەونی خۆش spot. وەکوایە بە کەسێک بڵێ خەوێکی خۆش spot. Spot دیارە ناوی پشیلەکەمانە. The title of the story is My Cat. ناونیشانی چیرۆکەمان بریتیە لە پشیلەکەم. I have a cat. پشیلەیەکم هەیە. Her name is Spot. Navi Spotter. She is big and soft. Goro Narmuniana. Okay? She is white with black spots. Ranji spio balam babuni palay yan khali rush. Lera zyatir ba palagunzawa. Chunka khalnin balku komalek palay Russia. She likes milk. Haziba shirde. She drinks milk from a bowl. Haziba shirde tu shirish la dafrek yan qapechi qol dakhwato. A bowl wata dafr qapechi qol. She likes to sit at the window and look outside. She likes to sit at the window and look outside. Hazdaka la nazik panzerako dabnishetu seri derobkat. She likes to watch the birds in the trees. She likes to watch the birds in the trees. Hazdaka seri balandakamkat la sardarakan. Sometimes she sleeps all day. Handekat tawawi rojaka dakhawet. Does a cat dream? Aya pshila khawndabine? Maybe loane. So that's the end of the story. Let me highlight some of the most important vocabulary for you. Ama kotai chiro kamambu ba green tin ushakanish diari bkain. So we have spot wata pala khal. Okay, bowl wata dafir qabi qul. We also have bird balanda. Okay, dream wata khon. Maybe lera wata lawane. Thank you very much for watching and listening. I'll catch you in the next story. Have a good time.